guys. I'm gonna have to keep saying it until we get it. Everybody needs to take a few steps forward. You guys should be right in there, like a concert. We got barriers for a reason. They're gonna hold these beasts in.
Can you feel me? I'm in there.
All right, guys. We got right around 5.